Perhaps the biggest misconception when it comes to wealth is that only people with millions of dollars in their bank accounts are wealthy. Nothing could be further from the truth. Ask any 3 people to define wealth, and you'll get 3 different numbers. If you want to be wealthy, you'll need to think like the wealthy. Start by defining your financial goals. How much money do you want to have in a year? 5 years? Got a number? Good. Now if you want to see a cent of that money, you'll need to develop a wealth mindset. Welcome back to another episode of Colorful Finance, the #1 source for content centered around earning money from home. Are you looking for a side hustle? Some passive income? To get started as a freelancer? Or perhaps to even start your own business entirely from home? Whatever your needs, we provide the best guides, hints, tips and informative content for your money-making journey. Subscribe to the channel so you're always up to date with our latest uploads. We provide you with theoretical experience in our videos, and practical experience with the tools we provide you in the description. If you want to know how to develop a wealthy mindset, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll take you through everything you need to know about how to develop a wealthy mindset in 2022. Now let's get into it. Why does a wealthy mindset matter? 60% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck, and it only gets worse when we consider the rising levels of credit card debt. As of 2018, 175 million Americans actively use credit cards. A majority of these credit card holders engage in impulsive spending behavior, wasting money they don't have on items they don't need. These behaviors create vicious cyclones of debt from which it is difficult to escape. It seems that the ability to attain wealth, the basics of the wealth mindset, is a lost art. What is a mindset? A mindset is a lens through which you view the world. Like a pair of sunglasses, it can slightly alter what you see and how you think about it. Mindsets are beliefs, perceptions, and attitudes that inform your thoughts and decisions. Different mindsets are an important part of your toolkit for success. Like glasses, they can obscure your path or bring clarity to the road ahead. Cultivating a healthy wealth mindset will help you stick to your financial goals and find ways to increase your earning potential. What is a wealth mindset? If you dig deeper into the stories of wealthy people, you'll notice a pattern. Rarely will a wealthy person be able to boil down their success to a single miraculous moment. Instead, they'll cite their mindset as the biggest reason for their prosperity. A wealth mindset is a set of beliefs, habits, and behaviors that separates the wealthy from the rest. A wealth mindset will guide you to make the most of the money you have. But it doesn't come easy. A wealth mindset means spending less, making wise investments, and looking for ways to improve financial standing with minimal risk. The good news is that with a little dedication, anyone can develop this mindset. What is a poor mindset? The antithesis of a wealth mindset is a poor mindset. Most who have this poor mindset don't realize they have it. A poor mindset is any of the following: thinking that earning money is wrong, that it can be done without effort, that you'll never climb out of the pit of debt, or that you just don't have the special sauce it takes to increase your cash flow. This mindset undermines your money goals and will actively drive wealth away from you unless you work to counteract it. 1. Set goals, be patient, persevere. Very few wealthy people became rich overnight. Building wealth is a slow process. Facebook didn't turn Mark Zuckerberg into a billionaire. Mark Zuckerberg created Facebook with his hard work and dedication, and then reaped the benefits of his labor. Don't pin your hopes of achieving wealth on risky get-rich-quick ventures. Set a goal for how much you are going to save each month. More importantly, make sure that the plan you create for yourself is reasonable and stick to it. The purpose of a budget is to allow you to examine your expenses and look for areas where you can cut or eliminate costs. This process might require you to make some difficult choices, like switching to cheaper versions of products or avoiding luxuries altogether. If you're terrible at saving and you aim to save 10% of your next paycheck, you have a higher chance of failing and giving up on your quest to become wealthy. Why not start at 1%? Start small, nurture the habit, and scale up over time. 2. Invest for the future today. Most people think that money won't make itself. Or will it? Compound interest is a process of growth that allows your invested money to grow exponentially over time. Compound interest occurs when you earn interest on interest. Each year your money is invested, you earn a percentage of interest on the total amount of money in the account, which includes the amount you made last year. The longer you allow your account to grow, the more money you will make in return. In 1994, Bill Gates was worth $9.3 billion. Fast forward to 2014, and the man was worth $81.6 billion. This ninefold increase in wealth wasn't fueled by Microsoft sales alone. It was powered by Bill Gates' investments manager Michael Larson. Investing money is a fundamental strategy amongst wealthy people, and you don't have to do it alone. Learn how to invest or look for help. There are plenty of accomplished and trustworthy advisors out there. The bottom line? Letting all of your savings sit idle in a bank account is a big mistake. Candy bars used to be 5 cents a pop. Today, you'd be hard-pressed to buy a Snickers for less than $1. The sustained increase in prices over time for goods and services is called inflation. It decreases the purchasing power of money as time goes on. A wealth mindset can help you seek out the best investments for your needs. After all, who doesn't want to make money while they sleep? 3. Never stop hustling. Now that you have a foundation for growing your money, it's time to invest in the most important thing: yourself. If you want to foster a wealthy mindset, you'll need to minimize time-wasting activities like watching television or scrolling through social media. Globally, we spend over 2 hours on social media sites every day. Instead of wasting that time scrolling, take care of your body. If you aren't already focusing on your mental and physical health, learn and practice better health habits, such as eating healthy, sleeping right, and exercising the right way. Here's another idea: practice your negotiation skills. Whether it's negotiating your bills, your salary, or a client contract, wealthy people always come out on top and can squeeze more dollars for themselves. Earn cash on the side by creating a side hustle. By driving for a ride-sharing service, teaching courses online, or even officiating weddings, 44 million Americans earn an average of $25 per hour with a side hustle. Find a niche you're passionate about, and it won't even feel like work. Learn new skills in areas you're interested in too. You never know when a skill you learn today will become an opportunity later down the line. 4. Maintain a positive attitude. Maybe you've heard of the law of attraction. The law of attraction states that like attracts like. In other words, our thoughts and actions attract similar thoughts and actions. If you think positive thoughts, positive things will happen. If you think about creating wealth, you will bring more wealth into your life. You must foster positive thoughts of wealth and abundance. If you dwell on the negative, you'll get discouraged and give up on your dreams. Start by erasing negative thoughts from your mind. Replace them with thoughts like, I will be rich. I am good enough. I can succeed. The road to wealth isn't easy, but it won't be any easier if you start creating potholes for yourself. You need to be completely sold on the idea of your success. That brings us to the end of today's video, all about how to develop a wealthy mindset. Which of the points mentioned in this video do you think is most important to developing a wealthy mindset? Get involved and let us know in the comments section down below. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, make sure to leave a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to Colorful Finance for even more fantastic content, just like this. As always, thanks for watching. See you again soon in the next episode.